Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
18 confirmed lung cancer diagnosed cases reduced the average time to diagnose these patients by more than 50%. And Goa would like to lead the way. And I've already said many times when I was speaking in the assembly also that we would like to do everything that is possible to utilize AI as a tool of diagnostics and take it forward in a very different way and make Goa a diagnostic hub and lead the way in the country, saying that it should be notified in such a manner that all these chest x-rays by default we are able to, and I want to be this first state to actually have this notified so that the doctors by default ensure that we do this scanning in a very meticulous manner so that we are able to identify issues and save lives of people. The whole pilot that we have done in the state of Goa, we have been able to identify about 10,500 nodules. Then apart from that, we have been trying to see that it's been helping in reducing time for diagnosis. Actually, I have already moved a file with every X-ray that is taken out of a chest X-ray. This automatically by default, this screening utilization of AI and this combination is used so that we are able to accurately diagnose the patient. पूर्णपणे कंप्लीट the PMO तेजेर लक्ष दवरून आणि पूर्ण 27 पहिली टाटा मेमोरियल बरोबर आम्ही ते पुढे व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालू जाल्लो आसा. आयज सकाळीच हांव मुख्यमंत्री कडेन चर्चा केल्ली आसा की एक मिटींग दवरुया कारण आमकां ते एक वेगळे तरेन एक सेमी ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी म्हणून आमकां ते फुडें व्हरपाक जाय.